In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass online from Norwegian. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device and then go into App Store or Google Play. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go down to the search bar and click in Norwegian Airlines, like so. From here, you'll need to install the Norwegian Travel Assistant right here. And once you've done that, you'll need to simply open it. From here, you'll need to go over to My Travels and go down to Find a Booking. Once you do that, you'll need to enter your booking reference and your last name right here. From here, you'll need to enter your final booking or find booking. And then from here, you'll get access to the check-in page. You can get your boarding pass that you can transfer over to your wallet, and so on. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments. Explore, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.